If you learn only 2 verbs this week, make them these 2. Because essere and avere don't just mean to be and to have. They're basically the engine behind almost every sentence you'll build as a beginner. Last time we covered your first real conversation. Today we go one level deeper. The 2 verbs that let you actually build sentences, instead of just repeating phrases. By the end, you'll be able to describe yourself, your feelings, your age, all with just these 2 words. Verbo essere. Io sono. Tu sei. Lui, lei è. Noi siamo. Voi siete. Loro sono. You use essere for identity, nationality, profession, and personality. Anything that describes what something fundamentally is. Sono italiano. I am Italian. Sei simpatico. You're nice. Siamo studenti. We are students. Avere. Io ho. I have. Tu hai. You have. Lui, lei ha. He, she has. Noi abbiamo. Voi avete. You all have. Loro hanno. They have. You use avere for possession, age, and, this is where it gets interesting, a huge number of feelings that English handles completely differently. Let's get into that. For example, ho una macchina, I have a car. Or, for age, ho 25 anni, I am 25 years old. Italians don't say, I'm hungry. They say this instead. Here's the twist that trips up every beginner. In English, you are hungry, cold, scared, or right. In Italian, you have all of those things. Ho fame, I'm hungry. Ho sete, I'm thirsty. Ho freddo, I'm cold. Ho caldo, I'm hot. Ho paura, I'm scared. Ho ragione, I'm right. Say, I am hungry with essere in Italian, and you'll get a confused look or a laugh. This one mental switch, feelings use avere, not essere, will instantly make you sound more natural. Ciao, mi chiamo Marco. Sono di New York. Ho 28 anni. Ho un gatto. E in questo momento ho fame. Take sentences, 2 verbs, and you already understood a full introduction. Take covers identity, nationality, personality. Avere is possession, age, and almost every feeling. Master these 2 and you already have the backbone of real Italian sentences. Comment 1 sentence using essere or avere. I'll correct a few myself. Next lesson, numbers 1 to 20, and the trick that makes them stick. Please don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss it. Italian with Nova. Ci vediamo!